My name's Gil Addo. I'm CEO and co-founder of Rubicon MD. We're a specialty e-consult platform, so we allow primary care providers to get opinions from specialists quickly. I don't think many people have spent a lot of time thinking about design in healthcare, unfortunately. I think it's one of the problems that you see. It's the problem and the opportunity. The bar is so low in terms of what's considered an acceptable solution in healthcare for some of the problems. This is the industry that's single-handedly keeping the fax machine alive as a viable option. So I think that there's a huge opportunity to bring design thinking and human-centered design thinking into healthcare. As I mentioned, the threshold is so low. People are used to solutions that are at such a low level in terms of the quality and the user-centered design thinking that's gone into them. And so I think there's a lot of ground to be covered, a lot to be made up. And so I was excited to be here to take a part in that. What we built is a solution that allows doctors to get opinions from other doctors, and we call it e-consults. That doesn't exist in this volume-based or fee-for-service world. And so what I think about volume to value, it's going from paying people for the stuff they do in healthcare to paying them to keep people healthy, which theoretically is where we should be. And I think when you make that shift, it opens up an incredible floodgate in terms of the opportunities that there are for people to be creative and reinvent the ways in which we keep people healthy. When you think about paying people for just the things they do, there's a finite number of things that are paid for, and they're paid a certain value. And so e-consults have a certain reimbursement code, and there's not even any value tied to that. When you move to the value-based world, now the opportunity to use e-consults, to use telemedicine, to use different applications, to think about how physicians and patients interact are limitless because you're just being paid to keep people healthy, and all the things you can do and all the creative ways that you can go about doing that are great things that are part of the solution. So I think for me, the reason that I'm here and the thing that I hope that people get out of this is just an energy and an enthusiasm to go tackle those problems. And I hope by seeing us talk about what we did and what we do gets other people excited to go out there and either help us or go solve their other problems that are out there in healthcare.